Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing today? All right, let's get right into it, shall we? Who can raise their hand and tell me what season we are in? Milo, what season are we in, love? Changed. Who can help her out? Liam, what season are we in, dude? Who can help Liam out? Rhea. Winter. And what does it do in winter? It sometimes does snow. Sometimes it snows. If you live in New York, apparently not that much, unless you live upstate. But yeah, I remember when I was your age and it used to snow all the time. Now it just doesn't. So who can tell me what month we are in? Mr. Richard, what month are we in, love? No, it's not September. Oh my goodness, don't go backwards. Not September. Who remembers? What is it? January. It's definitely not September, boo. January. Everybody, what month are we in? January. Who can raise their hand and remember what year we're in? It changed. TJ, what year are we in? 2021. What are the numbers there, TJ? 2021. Very good. TJ knows his numbers. Here we are today, but we're missing a? What do we need to do in order to find it? We need to count. But remember, make sure you let me get my whole sentence out before we jump in, okay? All right, everybody must count. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Today is the 5th day of January 2020. We need to find out what day it is today. Are we ready? Let's do it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Everybody, there are 7 D's. There are 7 D's. There are 7 days in a week. Who can raise their hand and tell me how many days are in a week? Allison, how many days are in a week? Who can help Allison out? Ileana, how many days are in a week? 7. There are 7 days in a week. Who can raise their hand and tell me what day today is? Let's have, who didn't I call on yet? Braden, what day is today? Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. What was yesterday? Liam, what was yesterday? Monday. Today's Tuesday and yesterday's Monday. What is tomorrow? Milo, what's tomorrow? Wednesday. There you go. Mr. Sander. Oh! His clothes just went flying everywhere almost. Mr. Sanders, what is the weather doing outside today? Can you look out that window, please? Sunny and what? Hot, cold, warm?
Cold.
A little chilly out today. I actually brought my jacket. I don't wear jackets that much, but when I do, you know it's cold out. So I did bring my jacket today. So, how am I going to dress Bob on this sunny but chilly day? What do I need to put on him? Long sleeve or short sleeve? Long sleeve. What else? What kind of shoes? Yeah, preferably, right? What else, darling? Pants. What else? I would wear a hat today. And Liana, what are we doing back there, boo? What else? Oh, because why? Because it's sunny out. Anything else, or are we done? We're done. Awesome. All right. Put Bob back up here. He is ready for the day. Who can raise their hand and tell me what letter we are working on this week? TJ, help me out. What letter are we working on this week? K. Everybody, no, we don't wear hats in class. Thank you. put it down on, yes, thank you, put it right there. We're not playing with our hat. Our hat is not a toy, right? Right, and we don't wear hats inside, right? Right. Are we doing good listening? We could do better, right? That means we're not putting our hands over our ears. Thank you. Okay. Yes, we're doing letter K. Everybody, let's do K. K, kite, kit, 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 kit. Very good. And I have 2 books today. I have, actually, you know what? No, I'm going to go with my 1 book today because I like this book better. And my book today is called Kangaroo Kazoo. What is a kangaroo? I know a kangaroo is a kangaroo, but what is a kangaroo? It's an animal. What is a kazoo? Has anybody ever played with a kazoo? Oh my goodness. Have you?
I have a long time ago. I was 3
What?
years old.
Okay. Oh, that long time ago when you were 3. I know, it was forever ago, wasn't it, James? I know. Okay, so if you've played with a kazoo, what is it? It is. It's a musical instrument. Beautifully said, Ileana. A kazoo is a musical instrument, and all you have to do is just blow into it, and it makes kind of a funky noise. It's really fun. I used to play with it all over the house. You know? So my book today is called Kangaroo Kazoo. What letter does kangaroo start with? What letter does kazoo start with? Ooh, how many kangaroos are there? Let's count them.
1, 2, 3.
We all need to start getting into the habit when someone asks how many there are of something, we need to count. We just don't guess, right? In this point, when we do math, okay, for your age, we don't guess. We count. We don't guess, okay? That's really super important. So when I ask how many there are of something, we need to count. Everybody understand that? Just don't go, 20! Because that wouldn't be the right answer, would it? No. Okay? This is stuff that we need to do in school and at home. Oogly doogly? Okay. The author, who remembers what an author does? Beautiful, Richard writes the book. The author of this book is Wendy Cheyette Lewison. Who remembers what an illustrator does? Draws because you can't write a picture. You can draw a picture and write about the picture, because you can't write a picture. Draws the pictures. And the illustrator of this book is Rusty Fletcher. This is the front of my book, right? Here we go. This kangaroo has a red kazoo. She takes it everywhere. What color is her kazoo?
Red.
And she takes it where? Everywhere. This kangaroo has a pink kazoo and he plays it at the fair. Where does he play it? At the fair. This kangaroo has a yellow kazoo. She plays it in the spring. What does she play in the spring? A kazoo. This kangaroo has a, what color is it? Green kazoo. It makes the katydids sing. Katydids is a insect. Yeah, maybe insects like music. We don't know. These do. Look at them. They're hanging out. They're listening. They're chilling out. That's what I do when I listen to music. I'm like, oh, yay, music. Right? Yeah. This kangaroo has a blue kazoo to play on the deep blue sea. Oh, water. I like that. Deep blue sea. This kangaroo has a purple kazoo from the purple kazuka tree. I don't know if there is such a thing as a kazuka tree. I will Google it. I will Google it later. Oh, let's read. This kangaroo has an orange kazoo, and now he has a chance to join the best band in the land. and play at the kangaroo dance. The end. You like it? Okay. So what letter are we doing today? K. What kind of K is this, by the way? Uppercase. I want to see those arms up in the air. Uppercase. What kind of K is that? These are things that we need to get used to. So part of your work today is to find all the upper and lowercase K's. Take your time on this, because sometimes we don't look at the whole thing. I have a student that I teach after school, and she'll do like 3, and then she's like, I'm done. Got to look at the whole thing, okay? That's the whole point of these, to be observant and aware, okay? My next thing is to write the letter K. Okay, I'm going to do it right on here because I feel like when I do it over there, I'm too far away for my friends at home to see. Right, Mister? I feel like I'm so far away.
Yeah.
I know. So I'm just going to do it right here. Okay, so uppercase K and lowercase k are kind of the same, but not really. Okay? What do I always tell you is the very first thing to do when we're writing a letter? We always go from where to where? Who said it? Somebody said it. No, no, you borrowed her brain. You said the right answer first, and you said it like really like a whisper because you weren't sure, and then someone said side to side, and that was not the correct answer. Remember, we use our own brain. We don't borrow somebody else's, right? Because sometimes if we borrow someone else's brain, it's not right. Top to bottom, exactly. And that's what Ileana started to say. She did say top to bottom. I did hear you say that. And then you borrowed somebody else's brain. Don't borrow anybody else's brain. You have one. You have one already. You don't need another, right? Right? No way. Majority of the time, when we're writing letters, we go from top to bottom. K is no different. When we write uppercase K, we're starting here. Top to bottom. Does everybody see that? That is the very first thing that you need to do. Because if you can remember that and if you can do that, you've got half your letters already learned. Okay? So top to bottom first. Okay? Arriba y abajo primero. Comprende, see? Right? Ali's like, yup. Okay. Then I go in the middle. And I go up the slide. Don't really do that on the playground. But we go up the slide. Does everybody see that? Then we go back in the middle. Now I know this is a little different. We go back in the middle and we go down the slide. So we go top to bottom, up the slide, back in the middle, down the slide. There's 3 steps. Don't do this. Mirror, 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 mirror. That's not right. Because then you're going to have a whole bunch of scribble scrabble all over the place. Take your time. The same thing goes for lowercase k, except when we go up and down the slide, we do it below the airplane line. Okay? I always forget. This is really important because you got to make it mini size. Mini size. Like you guys, mini size. Rhea's laughing back there. Like everything tastes better when it's mini size. I don't even know why. Like,
No, I agree.
right? Like you get a hot dog, it's like, yay, this is a hot dog. But if you get those little cocktail weenies, like the little, like the things that do not taste even better, right? The only rule that doesn't apply to is when Reese's Pieces. The Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, they're making them smaller. Why would you do that, Reese's? I don't know why. Everybody likes a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Come on, why would you make them smaller? But I don't know. So, let's try with air writing. Ready? So everybody get your magic marker fingers up in the air, please. And what is the first thing that we do? Friends at home, do this with us. What's the first thing that we do? Top to bottom, and that's exactly how I want you to say it. Top to bottom, do it. Boom. Then I go into the what?
Middle.
Middle. And I do what?